How to send mass email in Pipedrive. In this video, I'll show you how to send mass email in Pipedrive. So to get started, go ahead and open Pipedrive into your preferred browser, sign in to your account, and head over into the Contacts tab. So click on the Contacts button at the left side of your screen to be able to head over into the Contacts tab. And then once you're there, go ahead and click on this checkbox at the left side of the name label. So that will allow you to select all the names in your contacts and then click on the send group email button. Now to be able to send mass email in Pipedrive, you need to go ahead and connect your Google Mail account to your Pipedrive account. So you need to click on this get started button, and then after that you can go ahead and proceed on setting up your email to connect to your Pipedrive account. So in here, simply authorize all of the required authorization. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and proceed on sending mass email on the contacts that you have on Pipedrive. So in here, as you can see, you need to select email type to set your email used for sending the mass email on your contacts, which means you need to set up your email sync first before you can send mass emails on your Pipedrive account. And that is how you can basically send mass email in Pipedrive. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.